Hello party mammals. So today I'm going to unbox my IKEA Hemröra. It's a baking tool. Okay, so first remove the plastic thingy. Yeah, unboxing. There's no box. I'm plasticking. Oh, what is that? I'm plasticking. Okay, this is the Hemröra. It has one of this, one rolling pin, and another one whisk. Oh, so this is a whisk. Okay, complete. So what I have here is, I think, the 237 ml, because this is small. I'm not sure. How will I know? Does it say? And I have a cup. It has a cup. It has a cup of one cup, one half, 1/4, 1/4. So how will I know? Let me see. You can see that IKEA. It's upside down. IKEA. Okay. IKEA. So SE3 34 SE34. I don't know if you can see that. SE34381. If it's S3. Okay, so it's complete. I need to have this one whisk. I have, let's remove the fourth tie, and see if it's complete. Okay, so in the baking tool we have the whisk. So whisk, check. We have the rolling pin, check. Next one, spatula, check. One cup, check. And then the bowl itself is here, check. So it's complete. It says here, I think this logo means dishwasher safe and microwavable safe. That's what I know. And recyclable, PET. Okay, I think we're done with the Hemröra and with the manual. What's up with the manual? Let's see what we can learn from here. Suitable for children above age of 3. Tested and approved for food contact. Okay. Before using for the first time, wash, rinse, and dry the products in the baking set before using the first time. Cleaning. Wash the spoons, rolling pin, and whisk by hand and left air dry after cleaning. The bowl and measuring cup are dishwasher safe. I told you it's dishwasher safe. Usage. The bowl can be used in a microwave oven with a minimum temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. The spoon, rolling pin, and whisk handle are made of solid wood without any lacquer. I told you. I know this logos. This logo says it. Those. Goodbye.